Good morning, students. Today I will start the chapter straight line. It is the chapter number 10. Now there is a topic straight line. Student, as you know, straight line is obtained when we take 2 points on the coordinate geometry and join them. It is x-axis, y-axis, origin, x-dash and y-dash. There is a positive x, negative x, positive y and negative y. If we take 2 points on the line, then we get the straight line. If we extend this line makes some angle with positive direction of x-axis. Let this angle is theta. Now, next topic is slope of the straight line. Student, the tangent of this angle that the line making with positive direction of x-axis is called the slope, and slope is represented by the letter m. So here m equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. This angle is not with positive x-axis, it is with negative x-axis. This is the positive angle, positive direction of x-axis. Now, there is one more method to find the slope of the line. If we take 2 points on the line and coordinate of A is x1, y1 and coordinate of B is x2, y2, then there is one more formula of the slope. It is m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. From these two formulas, we can find the slope of the line. Student, now see the question based on it. Find the slope of the line making a 60-degree angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So here we can say there is a line making angle theta is 60 degree with positive x-axis. So m equal to tan 60 degree and tan 60 is root 3. So slope of the line is root 3. Another example, find the slope of the line find the slope of the line passing through the points 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4. Let it is A point, this is B point. So student, here x1, it is x1, it is y1, x2, it is y2. So m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is 4, y1 is minus 2 upon minus 1 minus 3. 4 plus 2 6 minus 4, it is minus 3 by 2. The slope of this line is m equal to minus 3 by 2. Student, now next topic is angle between two lines. Let us suppose there are two lines, it is L1, it is L2. Slope of L1 is m1 and slope of L2 is m2. Then there is a formula to find the angle between lines. It is tan theta equal to mod m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, where theta is the acute angle between the lines. Now, there is a condition of parallel lines and condition of perpendicular lines. If two lines are parallel, then theta equal to 0. Then m1 minus m2 equal to 0, or we can say m1 equal to m2. Here lines are parallel and their slopes are equal. So if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Now, second is condition that two lines are perpendicular. That two lines are perpendicular. Student, if two lines are perpendicular, then angle between them is 90. Let slope is m1, slope is m2, then theta equal to 90 and tan 90 equal to infinity. From this we will get tan 90 equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, or it is 1 upon 0. Infinity means 1 upon 0. m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. When we cross multiply, we will get 1 plus m1 into m2 equal to 0. From this we will get m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So this is the condition when the product of their slope is minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular. Is an important condition for the perpendicular lines. Students, see one more condition, that 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. Let us suppose there are 3 points A, B, C. They lie on a line. If these points are lie on a line, then they are said to be collinear. And this time slope of AB, MAB equal to MBC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. This is the condition for the 3 points are said to be collinear. Student, now the exercise 10.1. Student, first 4 questions are not on the topic straight line. So I am solving question number 5. Find the slope of the line which passing through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment P, coordinate 0, -4 and B 8, 0. So you have to find the midpoint of this line. There is a formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So it is 0 plus 8 upon 2 and 0 minus 4 upon 2. So it is 4, minus 2. Now we have to find the slope of this line. Coordinate of this is 0, 0, origin. Let this point is C. Then slope of OC. M equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 2 minus 0 upon 4 minus 0, or it is minus 2 by 4 and slope is minus 1 upon 2. The slope of the line in OC is minus 1 by 2 and C is the midpoint of PB.